So I've nipped outside this evening to try and get a bit more work done on the floor. I managed to get the vinyl roughly cut out to the right shape using the original templates we used to make the plywood, but I've left extra around the edges, and then I'm going to do the final cutting tonight, and then I don't know if I'll get around to gluing it, but we'll get on with gluing it down soon. So as you can see, I've now trimmed the carpet to shape as closely as I can. I think especially with the sets of seats, I'm going to have to use some sealant to finish that edge off, make it look nice and neat. I've saved a couple of the offcuts. I might use them on the faces of the step areas, I'll see. But I need to glue it all down, so I've got the adhesive, but it's a bit too late now to do that. And then I've got some aluminium angle, which I'll put along all of the edges that are kind of open. Yeah, really happy with how that looks. It's got a really nice glitter to it, which is fairly common on the Altro floor, and looks really good. So yesterday I managed to get the majority of the work finished on the floor. All I got left to do is to make some kind of edge trim pieces for the step and the rear, and then to put on the trims on the stair edges. Here you can see the floor's glued down. They're just the offcuts I'm going to use for the edges. I also put some black sealant around the edges of the steps just to tidy them up and to make sure the floor doesn't peel up on those edges. That there will be covered by the shower tray, and that's just the drains going in there somewhere. I've now cut all the aluminium that's going to make up the edging of the side step. Here's a couple of bits, and there's a couple of longer ones. I've marked them out where I need to drill them so that I can screw them down to the floor. So that's the side step completed. Really happy with how that's come out. Now I just need to go and do the same at the back. So that is the floor finished. Really happy with how that's come out, especially with the edging trim. It's just helped sort it out. As you can see, we've got a bit of the spare floor which I've glued on the sides of both the steps just to try and neaten things up. No idea whether it'll stay attached or not, but it'll do for now. Yeah, really happy.